Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef again for another edition of Flock Tales, and today I'm going to do a really bizarre take on a mint julep. If you've ever, if you're a bourbon drinker and ever been around the Kentucky Derby, or you've been to a Derby party, you've probably had a mint julep, usually made with bourbon or rye, like a bullet rye. But this is not a bourbon drink. This one is a julep made with tequila, and it's a raspberry tequila julep. So you need a big block of ice in your cocktail glass. In a shaker that's empty, we're going to take about 3 to 4 raspberries and throw them in the bottom of that shaker. And then we need about 8 mint leaves, give or take. I mean, it's not an exact science. And you're going to pop those to let the oil out of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boy, that was nice. Just pop those and let that oil come free. And then take some simple syrup. Now you can make your own simple syrup. It's just sugar and water. If you don't want to waste time or you don't want to spend time in the kitchen, this Master of Mixes stuff that you can pick up at Walmart is perfectly fine. You can get stuff at your liquor store, whatever makes you happy. You only need about 1/4 of an ounce of this. So about that much. Okay? And then we're going to add tequila. So when you're doing a julep, the forward flavor is normally the bourbon. So you need the heaviness of a heavy wooded tequila. So grab an añejo. In this case, I'm going to use the Pantalones Añejo Organic. And we're going to put 2 ounces of tequila in there, but we're not going to do it until we muddle this first. So you want those mint leaves and raspberries muddled together with the sugar. Then drop in some ice into your shaker. Add 2 ounces of Añejo tequila. Shake it up. You want to shake this pretty good because you want to bruise those mint leaves. Then drop open the shaker, grab your strainer, and strain this over your large piece of ice. And you get that beautiful pink color from the raspberries. Now you're just going to garnish this. You can throw a mint leaf on there if you want it to be really pretty and foo-foo. And then throw a couple of raspberries on a toothpick. In this case, I have a toothpick that is a Flamingo. And there it is. It's a raspberry tequila julep. It's a little different, but you're still going to get that mint. It's really good. Until next time, if you have something you'd like me to make, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm on YouTube, Rumble, Instagram, TikTok, pretty much you name it, I'm probably there. And eat and drink fabulous. I'll see you for the next one.